Most Mama Fuas, the kind of pay they get is very little and not very sustainable for them, considering that our founder himself, the mother, was a Mama Fua person. That brought up a question, how actually can we bridge the gap? In Nairobi, we have trained 4,500 Mama Fuas. In a good day, we can make about 10,000 to 15,000. Now, upwise, in a good day, we can make about 40 to 80, 100,000 in a good day. When we started the business, tuliingia soko tumeoshwa. My name is Schneider Obuto. I'm one of the co-founders at Mama Kazi Limited. Mama Kazi Limited involves Mama Fua App, Mama Fua laundry services, and also cleaning school. We started 15 years ago as for the app. It started when we were back in university. In uni, when your school schedule being a bit tight, resulting to now seeking services for Mama Fua, and that became a bit of a challenge getting a good and a quality Mama Fua. Over time, I realized one Mama Fua na another Mama Fua service quality yao ni tofauti kiasi. It now brought up our eyes to the gap within the market, considering that our founder himself, the mother, was a Mama Fua person. That brought up a question of how actually can we bridge the gap within the market. Hi.
Hi. What are your charges?
180 per kilo of each cloth.
So I have some laundry over here. It's a little bit heavy.
Acha nipime, nikwambie how many kilos they are, okay. And then I tell you the total cost.
Okay, haina shida.
We realize that most Mama Fuas, the kind of pay they get is very little and not very sustainable for them. And we also realize most clients, they get a Mama Fua, na Mama Fua anakuja anafanya kazi, the kazi yenye si safi. Now that resulted to us creating the app. When we started the business, ilianza LD. So in LD, we held interviews for Mama Fuas. 700 people walikuja for the interview. We only selected 200 people. We trained them for free, and then tuleka kwa app. Then now we came to Nairobi. Now in Nairobi, we have trained 4,500 Mama Fuas.
Kwa majina naitwa Mary Siena. Mimi ni among hao wenye walishukuliwa huko kwa maestate nje. Nilijaribu, nikaona iko sawa, inalipa vizuri. Juu in a day unapata like unalipwa double ile pesa yenye ulikuwa unapata. So far Mama Fua imeni-employ, sasa nimekuwa mmoja wao wenye tulianza hiyo Mama Fua. Na so far kuna changes. Juu ulikuwa unapata like kila siku tulikuwa tunang'ang'ana, hizo hizi hakuko hata kufuliza simu. Saa hizi iko even though sifulizi, juu Mama Fua imenicover kila kitu.
Kujama mtadeliver?
We also do deliveries.
Sawa tu, acha nilipe.
For the mamas, now if a client pays, they earn 75% of the money. Then the company gets the 25%. They get the bigger advantage, even more than us, because our main goal was to actually empower that Mama Fua and also provide a good quality of service to the other end. So that there's always a continuity and a cycle for that work to continue happening. We started a couple of laundries. One laundry we have is currently at Ngong, but we also do pick up and drop offs. The other laundry we started, which is our very recent and new laundry, in Syokimau, and we are serving our customers around Syokimau. In a good day, we can make about 10,000 to 15,000. Now, upwise, in a good day, we can make about 40 to 80, 100,000 in a good day. Our starting capital was roughly 100,000 and a bit slightly more, because when we started the business, one of the biggest challenge was to actually get an app developer. So tuliingia soko tumeoshwa. So we didn't have a proper understanding within the app system, and it took a lot of money for us to actually generate the app. But I think once you understand how developing goes around, it becomes actually cheaper. And then now for the cleaning school, we don't rate it in a per day, but we rate it per weekly. In a good week, we can make about 150,000 to 250,000. And then we also do like basic housekeeping. This is an apartment, so it's a move-in cleaning. Tuko na client mwenye ataka kumove this apartment. It's already furnished, tuko na everything here. So we're just doing cleaning to prepare for the client like a move-in.
Tunakuaga na housekeeping, so tunafanyanga continue kutoa stains kwa walls, kwa floor, kwa choo, jikoni, zile vitu zenye unaona zimelemea mtu kwa nyumba kabisa. Ukituita Mama Fua tukuje kwako, uhitaji tena hizo vitu zote, uende uite mtu mwingine ama upeleke car wash. So tunafanyanga hizo vitu zote.
One of the biggest challenge pia tumekuwa nayo ni pia trustability ya Mama Fua. Tumekuwa na scenarios of a bit of theft here and there, of which now tukianza market, that was one of our big issues. Tulikuwa Mama Fua anafanya service, anapata kitu mzuri kwa client, anaishia nayo ama anapata food ilipikwa, pia anaamua kujipakulia chakula. I think over time lead also to training. It also expanded us to understand like how to actually skill these women na professionalism. Because goal yetu big for this industry, it's actually to professionalize the cleaning space, ikuwe one of the leading job markets in watu wengi watahitaji. So in future this becomes a profession someone has to go to school to actually be employed to. That's what we are fighting for. That's what we are working hard to ensure this becomes something professional, something of course someone has to study. Someone gets employed, gets good money, gets on a good salary rate. Yeah. This is a very good business. Na kwanza biz, even as a young person, inakuwa a lot fun. It gives you movement around venye unapata pesa. There's a lot of skills you learn kwa an entrepreneur. The other thing, greater, bigger image in create impact. You get a problem, you get a solution for that problem, and you try to work with that solution, how you're going to create an impact. And from that, you're able to make money, you're able to make profits out of it, and you stick remembering why you started your business. Laundry business, the cleaning business is a very big space of which it's not being tapped to, but there's more to cleaning than just the basic cleaning. Now, if it's something you're able to pay for, a service for cleaning, pay for it. To promote our Mama Fua zetu, we try our app also. We also improve our quality assurance. We also get more Mama Fuas. We also be able to connect them. We also get more brand partnerships and everything else. But generally, the business has been great. We are soaring on. We love the impact you're creating to the Mama Fuas. Those are our stories, and those are what keep us going on as a company.